Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of the 2024 Harley-Davidson Sportster S1250 in the stunning Billiard gray color. This motorcycle is a masterpiece of engineering, combining raw power, modern technology, and timeless Harley-Davidson style. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the Sportster S1250 has something to offer everyone. Let's kick things off by talking about what makes the Sportster S1250 so special. At the heart of this beast is the Revolution Max 1250T engine. This liquid-cooled V-twin engine is a game-changer, delivering an impressive 121 horsepower. That's right, 121 horsepower in a cruiser. This power ensures that the Sportster S1250 is not just about looks, it's built to perform. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on twisty back roads, this bike is ready to deliver an exhilarating ride. Now, let's talk about speed. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Sportster S1250 boasts a top speed of approximately 120 miles per hour. This is where the blend of modern engineering and classic design truly shines. Harley-Davidson has managed to create a motorcycle that honors its heritage while incorporating cutting-edge technology to meet the demands of today's riders. The result is a bike that doesn't just look fast, it is fast. Of course, power and speed are only part of the equation. The Sportster S1250 also features a host of modern amenities that enhance the riding experience. The high-performance suspension system, for instance, ensures a smooth and responsive ride, no matter the terrain. The front suspension is a 43mm inverted fork, and the rear features a fully adjustable piggyback monoshock. This setup not only improves handling but also adds to the overall aesthetic appeal of the bike. Safety is always a priority, and Harley-Davidson has equipped the Sportster S1250 with state-of-the-art safety features. The Cornering Rider Safety Enhancements system includes cornering ABS, cornering traction control, and drag torque slip control system. These technologies work together to provide maximum control and stability, even in challenging riding conditions. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the design of the 2024 Harley-Davidson Sportster S1250 Billiard Gray. The Billiard Gray color scheme is sleek and sophisticated, giving the bike a modern yet timeless look. The muscular stance, combined with the low and aggressive profile, makes this motorcycle stand out from the crowd. The LED lighting, including the signature Daymaker headlamp, not only enhances visibility but also adds to the bike's contemporary aesthetic. The Sportster S1250 features a 4-inch round TFT display that provides all the essential information at a glance. This includes speed, fuel level, gear indicator, odometer, and even navigation when paired with your smartphone. The display is clear and easy to read, ensuring that you can keep your eyes on the road while staying informed. Let's not forget about comfort. The Sportster S1250 is designed with the rider in mind. The solo seat is both comfortable and supportive, making long rides a pleasure. The mid-mount foot controls and low handlebars create an ergonomic riding position that reduces fatigue and enhances control. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a cross-country adventure, this bike is built to keep you comfortable every mile of the journey. Finally, let's talk about the price. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Sportster S1250 Billiard Gray is priced at approximately $15,499. While this may seem like a significant investment, it's important to consider what you're getting for your money. This motorcycle offers a perfect blend of power, style, and technology, making it a worthy addition to any rider's collection. Plus, with Harley-Davidson's reputation for quality and durability, you can be confident that this bike will provide years of enjoyment.